Modem, router. Router, modem. They may seem similar, but they're completely different beasts. Let's clear up the confusion and end this battle once and for all. Your modem? It's the connection between your home and the internet. For NBN connections, it's that NBN-supplied box, sometimes called a network termination device or network connection device, depending on your connection type. Think of it as the front door to the web. Your router? That's what gives you Wi-Fi. It takes the internet connection and spreads it around your home so all your devices can get online at the same time. Think of it as the sprinkler showering your home with email and cat videos. The confusion? Most modern devices do both jobs. With NBN connections, your NBN connection box just usually acts as the modem. Then all you need is a router for Wi-Fi. Choosing the right router depends on a few things. How many devices are you connecting? A dual-band router will handle multiple gadgets better. What's the size of your home? Bigger spaces need more range. And if you want seamless coverage in every corner, consider a mesh network, which is a team of routers working together, high-fiving each other when the signal is firing. Long story short, NBN Co handles the connection. Your Wi-Fi router handles the rest. More for your world.